about 2-3 years ago maybe. Yeah, and some of them fall down away from the trail, like this one fall down from here away to from the trail. And this one looks, this used to be that tree that's laying down over that way, but it fall down away from the trail. A lot of them fall down away from the trail, yeah. Oh, there's a lot of deer over here in these woods, but sometimes you could see them, sometimes you cannot. This is a very old one, a very old tree that fall down right there, very old. You could totally it's already getting rotten. It's getting rotten and it's going. Now this is an example of what they do when they come and cut, because it was hanging out and away from the trail. So they cut right there and then they cut right here, I guess, I don't know, but this is what they did right there. They cut it from there and fall down right there. So that's what it is. But that's what they do, you know. Maintenance is maintenance for the park. Right here, look at a cut right there, another cut, another cut, and everything came out of this tree right here. The tree that fall down, and the roots are here. Watch, I'll show you the roots. There's the roots right there. They fall down that way, and then they cut. Then they cut it. So that's what's going on. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on with this trail. Now that building in front of us right there, the remnants of the building right there, it looks like it used to be something that had to do with the old zoo from back in the 1900s, from about 100 years ago. I'm gonna give you another very good example of what they do when they fall down. This tree didn't fall down in the trail. That's why they didn't even touch it. It's almost complete right there. But look at the ones that fall down over here to the trail. Then they cut them and make piles right here. Look at, this is what they throw. This is what they did. This is what they did. They cut them away from the trail and put them over here. Now that very long one did not fall into the trail, that's why they left it alone. And if in that very long one, his root is right here. This is the root. Oh, that's the root. And that's another root for another one that fall down away from the trail. I think it fall down that way somewhere. But that's what it is. That's what they do. Oh Lord. Right, Oreo? Oreo macaroni. Oreo. Hey, I love you. Come here. Come, I love you. Come on. Come on, let me love you. I want to love you. Come here. Well, you know I love you, right? Yeah. Silly boy. Hey, Oreo. Baby Oreo. Oreo macaroni. Oreo. Oreo boy. Baby boy. My baby. Baby. Baby boy. Oreo. Oreo. Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby. Come on, I love you. I love you. Come here. Come on, I love you, my baby. Dad, I love you so much. Okay, come on. Let's go. My baby boy, baby Oreo boy. Oreo baby boy. Oreo boy. Hey you macaroni. I don't even know where I got that from. Macaroni Oreo. I love you. Come here. Come on. You went all the way up. Yes, Oreo. Why don't we make it here? Oh, you wanna go here? Baby Oreo. Oreo baby boy. Oreo, stay by that, okay? Stay by that, okay, Oreo? My baby. Baby, stay by Dada. Okay, baby? Yes. The baby boy. Baby Oreo. Come on, baby. Come on, Oreo. Oreo, come on. Oreo. Oreo. Come on, Oreo. Stay by Dada. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, he don't bite. He wants to play. He wants to play. Oh, he's a beautiful. He's cute. Oreo. Make friends, Oreo.
That's okay.
He's a friend. What's his name?
Winnie.
Winnie is a boy?
It's a girl.
It's a girl. Oh, Oreo is a friend. Or how old is she?
She's like 11 weeks.
11 weeks. Oh, she's only a baby. Oh, Oreo. Yeah, yeah. But I don't think he understands it, but because it's a baby.
Yeah. No,
It's a
she's
baby.
like
Yeah.
super jumpy.
Yeah,
Still.
but he wants to play. He likes to play with them. He loves to play with them. Oreo, you wanna play with them? Come on, baby. Friend, make friends, baby. Make friends. She's so sweet. Ah, baby. Oreo. You.
The paw.
Leave the baby. Leave the baby. Oreo. Play with baby. Play with baby. Play baby. Play baby. Play. That's so cute. So beautiful. 11 weeks.
Don't do that.
Oh, he's so cute. 11 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
so.
she's super playful right now.
Yeah. Oh, he's he before tomorrow. Tomorrow he's gonna be
Wow.
4. Yeah, He.
Oh, he's so cute.
Thank you. He was. She's so beautiful. Very
Thank
beautiful.
you. She's
What-
a golden doodle.
how
Yeah.
how big she grows up?
I
How big?
don't know. She's supposed to
Yeah?
be like probably like around this
Really?
height. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Her
Oh.
paws are super big so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He's a very short because we bring him out every day.
Yeah.
You know, like every day. Look at she's playful.
I know
Yeah.
she tried.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at it. She's very playful. Oreo is playful, baby. Oreo, be nice, Oreo. Oreo, be nice. Nice. No, Oreo.
Winnie.
You. Nice, baby.
Chill.
Yeah.
I
He's
don't like that.
he's used to playing with his cat, and his cat attacks him too. The cat
Yeah.
attacks him, and then he's scared. He's scared of the cat.
Yeah.
He run away from it. Is that a friend, baby? That's your friend.
I think just if she doesn't like
Yeah.
jump on him, then he's like, all right, yeah,
Yeah.
cool. Oh,
Yeah.
jeez.
No, but you cannot you cannot help that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's only
I
a
think
baby.
she'll grow out of it. We should get the
Yeah.
older and
Well,
train
yeah.
it.
He was like that.
Yeah.
You know, he was like that. He very jumpy every single moment. In everything in the house, he chewed everything in the house.
Really?
Yeah, because he was grown up in his teeth, you know, because of his teeth, you know.
Yeah.
So he chewed everything in the house, and then later on, he grew out of it, and now he's been like that, you know, ever since, you know. Oreo.
A nut.
You.
I'm trying to like
Really
get
nice
her more
baby.
interactive with
Yeah.
other dogs too.
Really?
So
Oh, that's
she
cute.
like knows because she'll
Really?
like be intrigued. She'll go to them and then she'll run away.
Really?
And then go back.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, if you want to, we could come. We could hang out. You know, we could bring them out every day. You know.
Yeah, definitely. I'm
Yeah?
off weekends if you're around.
You're off on the weekends.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where do you work around here?
I work at Motor World.
Oh, Motor World?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Me and my daughter bring them a lot, but my daughter is tired because of the weekend with her friends.
Yeah.
You know, so she just came back yesterday.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, yeah, and I go. I'm taking the puppy for a walk. She goes, "Are you coming?" She goes, "No, I'm so tired from all this the whole weekend." I'm like, "Okay, you know." But my daughter. Thank you. Come on, baby. My baby. Jedi. My baby boy. My baby Oreo. Come here, baby. Come on, Oreo. That's your friend, Oreo. You wanna make a friend, baby? Jada. That's your friend, baby. Was it fun making a friend, baby? Nice friend over there, right? Yeah. Jada. Yeah, hey, Jada. Hi, Jada. Stay away from it. Okay, Oreo. So we're at the park. That's the woods that we were on over there on the back of the levee back there. That's the woods that we were on. But now we're here. Come here, Oreo. Come here. There's friends coming. I gotta put you position, okay? There's a lot of friends coming, baby. Okay? Lots of friends. There's lots of friends, baby. Come, stay by that. Come, baby. Hey, Sally. That's a girlfriend. That's a friend. Thank you. Is that yours? Yeah, there's. Yeah. Oh, okay. What's your name? Nia. Nia? Oh. He's playful.
Oh, okay.
He's playful. He
Making
don't,
sure.
yeah, he don't want to attack or nothing like that. No,
Okay.
no. We just made we just made another one over there. He was trying to play, but it's only a baby over there.
Aw.
That one is only 11 weeks. This one, how old is she?
She's about to be 4. She's old.
4?
Yeah.
He's 4 too.
Oh.
Yeah. Tomorrow is his birthday. Yeah. She don't socialize. She don't socialize, or she wants to. Yeah.
She does.
No, she does. Yeah. Is that your friend Oreo? Making friends, Oreo? All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. All right. Is that your friend, baby? That's you made a new friend, baby. You made a new friend. That's your friend, right? Yeah. Yes, baby boy. Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh no. That's a scary puppy over there. That's a big puppy over there.
Yo, go get your pad. Your pad's in the car. Oh, shit. Whoa. Look, there's a big ass bull on me. Wait, let me try to see my bed, baby.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. You got nothing, baby. You gotta go home. You gotta get home. We'll make it home, okay? We'll get something over there, okay, Oreo?